Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
on Radio SI.
I want to be a musician from my heart, so I'm preparing towards that. My name is Ifeanyi Okoye. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria, but I've been here now in Slovenia getting to more than 5 years.
Show me my diamond key.
Here you live in Vic.
Yeah, I live in Vic. Vic is part of me, and this is where I started, and I still have the feeling for Vic.
So your name is Sunday, but everybody calls you?
Sonny. Sonny is, most people here, like a lot of people, they know me with that name, Sonny.
And because you bring out the sun?
Yeah, it's not only that. I tried as much as I can to be positive. I'm from West Africa, Nigeria, the most populous country in Africa.
It is, right?
Oh, it is. Go to check out on the Google and everything. Yeah, I'm a little bit from the coast, a little bit down to the eastern part of Nigeria. My name of my town is Obeledu, and from Anambra State. The town is Obeledu.
So, you said a lot of people are looking forward to this interview?
Yeah, that's true, because sometimes about 3 times I was walking on the street, somebody closed me up and said, "Hi, are you the one I saw on the newspaper? Please, I need to know when you're going to finish your CD." So it's something people are expecting to explode. Even back home in Nigeria, yeah, I've sent some of my songs. They are crazy a little bit. They say, "We are waiting for you to, They are waiting for this interview for the first time on the radio. This is the first time they want to hear me talk on the radio.
This is your first time on the radio?
Yeah, you happen to be the first radio station in Slovenia to do this.
Well, it's an honor to meet you and do this.
Thank you. Yeah, I came here 2007.
And your story of coming here is a little bit different.
If I may say, God knows why I'm here. Yeah, because I came with like a refugee. I came a refugee status
from Nigeria.
Yeah, so ever since then, when I came here, I've been fighting hard. Yeah,
it's not easy to be a refugee, right? I guess
it's not easy, but life goes on.
Why did you choose Slovenia as a refugee? Yeah,
everything happens by accident. Everything happens sometimes through your intentions. But if I may tell you, I would say my own happens by accident in a way that God wanted it to be. It did not happen with all that good intention. It just happened the way it is, so that's the way it happened. As you can see now, there's a lot of crisis in Slovenia and there is no job. So I'm planning somehow to see how I can get myself, I can get self-employed, I can make myself to be self-employed.
So you want to open your own business?
Yeah, like something like that. I'm trying to find some areas where I can be able to operate very good.
And you also are into music. It means a lot to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. This is what I have been expecting you to ask me all along. Because we have now arrived. Music to me, it is one of my greatest ambitions in life. Even it started back home in Africa, in Nigeria. I remember when I told my senior brothers, I said, one day I'm going to sing. He started laughing at me, saying, "Oh, can you do that?" Because then I was not somewhat good in talking. I was a little bit shy. So he said, "You're always shy. You cannot be a musician." I told him, "No, when the time comes, I will." The dream started back home. When I came here, I said, "Okay, this is the place for the dream to come true." Like you said, now this is the dreamland, land of dreams. My favorite song, which I so much like, and that one is "Baby, I Want You to Know." It's pop reggae. Yeah, this is my first pop reggae.
So "Baby, I Want You to Know" from Ifeanyi Okoye.
Sonny, or the Episode, because the name of our group is Episode.
So "Baby, I Want You to Know" from Ifeanyi Okoye and the Episode.
Right.
Baby, I want you to know you rule my world. Baby, I want you to know this is how I found you. I see no who you are to me. This is you and this is me, face to face. I knew I found you. Baby, I want you to know you rule my world. Baby, I want you to know this is how I found you. Watch out.
You are listening to Land of Dreams. This week with Sunday Ifeanyi Okoye, a Nigerian living in Slovenia.
Now I have done about 5 songs, but my target is 10.
Have you had any concerts?
It's not visible now, talking about concert, because if you want to go on a concert, there are many things that are involved. Music is all about feeling. The feelings you have inside, you are giving it out. You are expressing yourself. So music is all about expressing yourself. Since all this time I've been in Slovenia, I have no regret ever, and I will never. This is part of me now, part of my home. Yeah, my plan is to be here, and already I've come to stay.
You've come to stay,
Yeah. So like I told you, my music life, my business life, and everything, I'm not hoping to leave. Yeah, I'm not hoping to walk away. This is part of me now.
My reality. Talk to me.
Slovenes, most of them are like seeing Slovenia as a very small country of no worth, of nothing. A little bit shy from being who you are. You should be proud of who you are as a Slovene. Sometimes when you talk, they say, we are too small. We are just 2 million. You don't have to be 100 million to be noticed. Yeah, everything is, even if it is 2 people, this is where I am. This is my country. We are small, but we are happy that we are small.
If you had the power to change one thing about Slovenia, what would you change?
Oh, this is a good question, and a very heavy question. I don't know how I'm going to answer that, but okay, let me try. If I will change anything here in Slovenia, I will change to make them to be more ambitious. You know what I mean? To push them to be more ambitious in life, that anything I go, I break in. Anything I step in, I break it. Not doing it halfway and walking away. Anything you start, you got to finish it. Yeah, this is what life is all about. You have the ambition, I must take it to the end of the tunnel. Yeah.
And that's what you're showing Slovenes with your story as well, right?
Yeah, if you see from my story is all about not giving up. If you compare to my background, how I started when I came here, I never give up.
Rise on, rise on, rise on.
Life is sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's ups and downs. Life is all of ups and downs. So when it takes you up, okay. When it takes me down, here I am. Keep your legs on the ground and keep on walking. Never look back.
Rise on.
And then just try to rise again.
Yeah, try to rise again. Like one of my songs, Rise On.
Rise on. Okay. Rise on, and thank you for this interview, Sunday. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you too, and the radio SI, you keep on. You are on the sky. Yeah, I must tell you that. You're on the sky. You're on the top.
Thank you for the kind words.
Thank you.
Rise on. Rise on. Rise on. Rise on.
Land of Dreams. Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. only
on Radio SI.